In this video, we'll be changing the battery in this Nissan Titan key fob. This is a very easy process. It'll take you just under 3 minutes to get it done. All you'll need is a CR2025 battery and a regular flathead screwdriver. If you want to get one of these batteries online, go ahead and check out the link down in the description. That'll take you over to Amazon where you can find these batteries for a good price. So go ahead and grab your key fob, look down here on the bottom, and you will see an opening in the plastic. Put your flathead screwdriver, you could also use a coin here, and just insert it into that opening and twist. Twist until you feel it start to open, and then you can just pull it apart with your fingers, or if it still feels a little bit stuck, go in that opening and just work your way down, twisting. There we go. Come over here to the battery, and just using the same flathead screwdriver, I'm going to come in the top corner where there's a little bit of an opening, and using the corner of the flathead, I'm going to get under the battery and gently lift it out. Here is our CR2025 battery. When you're putting your new battery in, you want to make sure that this positive side is facing down. So just simply push it into place, make sure that it's sitting flat in there, positive side down, and then we can just put it back together. Just line it up and give it a squeeze. And that is really all it takes. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, feel free to drop us a like or let me know down in the comment section. And if you ever need help with another one of your key fobs, we have you covered here on this YouTube channel as well as over at our website, FobBattery.com.